We want to draw the region defined by the inequalities x plus y is less than or equal to 5, x is greater than 0, y is greater than x, and we want to leave the required region unshaded. This inequality is the easiest, so let's deal with that first. We need the line x is equal to 0, and that is the y-axis. We need it to be a dashed line, so we draw a dashed line along the y-axis. It's a dashed line because this is just a greater than. We need to be to this side of it since it says x is greater than 0. Now let's look at this inequality. We need to draw y equals x. We could use a table of values and take x and y values. If x is 0, y is 0. If x is 1, y is 1. And if x is 2, y is 2. Plot the 3 points, and we need a line that goes through them. This needs to be a dashed line, and don't forget to label it. Its y is greater than x, which is why it's dashed. Let's use a test point to see which side of the line we want. I'm going to use the point 0, 4. 4 is greater than 0, so this point is in the required region, and therefore we need to be above the line y equals x. Now consider x plus y is less than or equal to 5. We need to draw x plus y equals 5. A table of values will help. If x is 0, y must be 5. If x is 1, y must be 4. And if x is 2, then y must be 3. Let's plot these points. And we need a straight line through these points. This needs to be a solid line because the inequality was less than or equal to. Let's take a test point. I'm taking the point 2, 0. Look at the inequality. 2 plus 0 is less than 5. So this is in the region. Therefore, we need to be this side of this line. Looking at all 3 inequalities identifies the triangle. We want to leave the required region unshaded, so we're going to shade out everything else but the identified triangle.